How to access Shell employee account. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the Shell employee login. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Your username is usually your employee ID or email address associated with your Shell account. Enter your username and password carefully. If you're logging in for the first time or have forgotten your credentials, use the Forgot Password link to reset it through your registered email. For added security, some Shell portals require multi-factor authentication (MFA). If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your login using a code sent to your mobile device or email. This helps keep your account secure. Once logged in, you'll have access to your employee dashboard, where you can manage your personal information, view pay stubs, check schedules, and access other company resources. And that's how you access your Shell employee account in 2024. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more employee login tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.